to the video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will discuss the differences between CLAT, AILET and LSAT. Despite having the same purpose of providing admission to law courses, these exams are quite different from each other. CLAT is a national level entrance exam conducted once a year by the Consortium of National Law Universities. The exam provides admission to various undergraduate and postgraduate programs offered by 22 national law universities. AILET is an exam held by NLU Delhi for admission to BA LLB Honours, LLM and PhD courses offered by the university. It is conducted once every year. National Law University Delhi does not accept any other exam other than AILET for admission. LSAT India is a standardized test designed to assess the reading and reasoning skills of students. LSAT India has a uniform exam pattern and single question paper for admission to various courses. Every year, Pearson VUE conducts law school admission test on behalf of the USA-based Law School Admission Council, and the score of LSAT India is accepted by more than 85 private colleges. The exam pattern of all three exams is different from each other. CLAT is held for a duration of 2 hours, while LSAT is conducted for 2 hours 20 minutes. AILET exam has a duration of 1 hour 30 minutes. A total of 150 MCQ questions are asked in CLAT UG and AILET. CLAT PG, on the other hand, sees a total of 102 questions with both MCQ and descriptive type questions. LSAT India has a total of 92 questions and all of them are objective type. CLAT and AILET reduce marks for every incorrect attempt. However, LSAT India does not follow a negative marking scheme. Moving over to the marking scheme, CLAT has different marking norms for both UG and PG programs. For UG courses, 1 mark is awarded to every correct attempt and 0.25 marks are reduced for wrong answers. Similarly, for PG, 1 mark is offered for every correctly answered MCQ and 25 marks for every correctly answered subjective type question. No marks are deducted in the descriptive section. In the case of AILET, every correct answer attracts 1 mark and every wrong answer leads to a deduction of 0.25 marks. In LSAT India, a candidate's performance is measured on a scale of 420 to 480 score band and percentile. It does not follow any negative marking scheme. However, it has set a fixed time limit for each section. The exact mark allotment per question is not available for LSAT India. However, it can be assumed that each question carries anywhere between 1 mark to 3 marks. Now let us check out the syllabus for all the 3 entrance exams one by one. CLAT UG has a total of 5 sections that are English language, current affairs and general knowledge, legal reasoning, logical reasoning and quantitative techniques. In CLAT PG, questions are covered from constitutional law and other areas of law such as administrative law, jurisprudence, law of contracts, torts, family law, criminal law, property law, company law, public international law, tax law, environmental law, and labor and industrial law. Questions in AILET are from various sections such as English, general knowledge, legal aptitude, logical reasoning, and elementary mathematics. LSAT India has only questions from analytical reasoning, reading comprehension, and logical reasoning. Unlike CLAT and AILET, it does not have questions from current affairs and general knowledge and quantitative techniques. To understand which exam is the most difficult out of the 3, let us go through the figures once. Every year, roughly 19,000 students compete for 180 seats through the AILET exam, while around 59,000 students appear for 3,283 seats offered by 22 national law universities. In LSAT India, around 12,000 candidates register themselves for the exam and are provided with the opportunity to take admission in more than 85 colleges in India. The data clearly shows that ALET has more competition and more students competing for fewer seats, which makes it most difficult to crack. If put in order of the difficulty level, ALET is on the top, followed by CLAT and then LSAT. Having said that, LSAT India is not an easy exam and should not be taken for granted. The better the percentile of candidates in LSAT, the higher are their chances of getting admission in the desired college. This was all about the difference between CLAT, ALET and LSAT India. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. To dig out more information about the law entrance exams, keep visiting our official website www.collegedeco.com.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.